the head attraction, Azriel Alexander, turning 1 year old. Watch it right before your eyes. Right before your eyes, he's aging. He's turning 1 year old, December 6th. You cállate. Cállese tú. He has a pimple. It's actually a mosquito bite, but it looks like a pimple, so it looks like he's going through puberty. Hi.